Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello and welcome. Today's video, I'm gonna be vlogging. I haven't vlogged in a little while. I figured I'd take you guys along with me for the day. I don't ever vlog unless I have a good amount of things that I want to do, just so that it's not boring, but I feel like vlogging also helps me stay accountable and be more productive. So I'm actually up by 9, which is a milestone for me. So I'm gonna try to get to the gym early and do kind of the stuff that I need to do earlier so that I have extra time to do other things. So I'm very excited to take you guys along with me. First things first, I need to make my bed because it's really messy. My room is almost done. I feel like I've updated you guys a little bit on the progress, but I'm gonna do like a full room tour of like where I got everything and everything like that once it's complete. First things first, I'm gonna eat breakfast and make my bed. My mom, we went strawberry picking and we have a shit ton of strawberries that we have been making various recipes with. She made Pop-Tarts, I made chocolate covered strawberries, we had strawberry shortcakes, she made jam. Like, we've been making so much stuff, but the Pop-Tarts are amazing. I have a recipe reel on my Instagram. If you guys are interested in making those, I'll put the links to that in the description. But yeah, I'm gonna eat that and then we're gonna get on with our day. Vloggies. Say hello. Okay, not too close. Yes, big sleigh. You want to talk by me? You can. Don't steal my shine. Thank you. I just had breakfast and I'm probably gonna eat some pasta before I go to the gym, even though it's gonna be like 10 in the morning. I don't care. I need real food in my body before I lift, especially because it's leg day. Look at this girl. But let me show you my fit, or at least the fit I laid out for myself so that I didn't spend 30 minutes looking at my clothes. Green color. So I'm gonna wear this like over top of my look. And then I thought that like this blue, right, denim blue, would look cute with the new coal, like a little blue and gray. Excuse me. So this is the fit, and then I'm wearing this over top because I'll probably go run errands after and I don't want to be double cheeked up in stores. Okay, so an honor package just came in. I placed a little affiliate order, and of course when they ring the doorbell, my dog goes absolutely bonkers, and my mom is on a work call right now, so I had to calm her down. That was super fun, but we're gonna open this together. Okay, so first I got the new effortless shorts that came in denim because I love this length short so much, like the shorter length shorts. 10 out of 10. These are so cute. I can't wait to wear them. Oh, I got them matching crop top for it. I love this, and they just have a big open back moment, but I just felt like this would be like a super cute set, or you can mix and match. And then my favorite color, the evergreen, I had to get it in the shorts version because I just had the leggings, so I got them in the short shorts as well. So that's everything I got, just 3 things. But I did my hair in a little updo situation, and I'm gonna get ready now for the gym. It's starting to get to that point where I've been lollygagging for an hour and I need to like really get up and get moving, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'll show you guys my gym fit before I go. Here's the gym outfit. So I just have the bra and the shorts. These shorts, guys, just wait. The way they just gobble your literal ass up, 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. So if you guys want to shop any honor, as always, link in the description to support me. And then I also have 2-3 packages that I need to ship out. I've been selling so much activewear because I don't know if I can announce this yet. I probably will be able to by the time that I post this, but I'm actually an Honor Active teammate, meaning I will only be wearing Honor Active. And I'm so excited about that. I never thought that I would go exclusive with a brand, but this is the only brand that I could really see myself with, and I just feel very grateful that they considered me for an opportunity to be a teammate. And I don't know, I just see such a bright future for the brand, and being able to be a part of the brand from the very beginning, like a very close beginning, as someone who shopped their first launches, like it's an honor. And I love Chrissy. Y'all already know how I feel about Chrissy, so I just feel very honored and I'm very happy about that. But I feel like I need to go. I don't usually like the cycling length shorts, but guys, I kid you the hell not, on the back of my quads I have like at least 10 bug bites. 10. My boyfriend and I, we went on a date and we sat on like the little ledge area and we ate and everything, and the bugs were eating me the fuck up. But you know what gets me? I don't even care that I got bit. It's the fact that he didn't. I got bit 15 times and he got bit 0. What is that about? I need to go to the gym because I'm running late, and then I'm gonna go to the post office, and I'll just update you guys after the gym about what my next plans are. Okay, hi guys. I just got such a good workout in, and I just put on an oversized tee so we have a cute fit going on. I'm about to go and ship those packages that I have for Depop, and then I need to go thrifting. So basically I was like doing the declutter of my room, and as I was decluttering, I was like, okay, what needs to get donated? What needs to stay? I tried on all my jean shorts, and when I say not one pair fit, not one pair, they were all too small. So instead of sitting and crying about it, I was actually really happy because that meant that my glute workouts were working, which is great, but also I need to get a bunch of new pants. So I'm going to Goodwill, and I'm just gonna try to thrift a lot of denim. But yeah, I probably won't take you guys into the thrift, but I will show you guys if I get anything and what I get. I feel like every summer season, everyone goes through their closet and realizes when shorts don't fit them, and I just want you guys to remember that clothes are made to fit us. We are not made to fit clothes. If it doesn't fit you, that doesn't mean you need to change your workout plan. It doesn't mean you need to change everything that you're doing to lose weight to fit back into that product. There's so much that can change the shape of a product, and it doesn't necessarily need to be you. Things could shrink, things could be years old. Like, stop trying to fit into the shorts that you had when you were in 8th grade. Put them bitches away and get new ones that fit you, and don't think that it's a bad thing. Your body's gonna change. It changes all the time, and accepting those changes and loving your body and just buying clothes that make you feel confident is the way to go. I'm obsessed with this song. I was thinking about you. Okay, I wanted to do a little haul of what I got from the thrift. I went to 2 different stores and I got a few goodies. I think I spent like $20 to $30 total on everything, but I found stuff that I really like. So I'll start off with what I found at Goodwill. These pants, so slay. I tried on probably 10 pairs of pants in there and only these fit me. So even when you go thrifting, it's a gamble to see what they have and how it fits you, because everything fits you kind of differently. These, I don't even know the brand, but I like was immediately drawn to them. So they're this corduroy jean material. I'm gonna cut these into short. I just didn't like the way they looked long anyway, and I've been wanting short, but they're just like a corduroy material. I'll definitely try them on for you guys in just a second, but here's like the back pockets. I'll have to cut them, and I'll definitely have to hem this material, so I need to get the sewing machine back out and get back on that. Then at Goodwill, I found these shorts. So the brand, these are Lee. I've had a pair of Lee shorts before and they fit me really well, so I knew that these would fit well. So the waist is super nice. It's like this white waistband, but then in the back here it has this almost like elastic, so it kind of like molds to your body. They're very long, like they're giving grandma shorts, but I'm also gonna hem these, so I'm probably gonna cut them down to here-ish, so they're gonna be a lot less mom short vibes, but I really like these. Then I got these pants, which are so cute, and they're literally new with tags from wherever they were from, Jones, New York, and they were a large, so I was worried that they might not fit me well, but I really love the oversized look that these have. So they're just a linen pant with a drawstring, and then they have these pockets in the back, and then they just go all the way down. I just feel like these would be super cute for the summer, throw on with like a crop top. And then lastly, these jeans. I can tell a girl went in the fitting room, tried these on, and just decided not to get them because they were on a rack, like they were just like on top, and I could tell that someone left them there, and I was like, that means these must be good. So I just picked them up, and these were the only pair of jeans that fit me nicely in the second store. And I wanted to make these shorts, but when I tried them on, I love the fit of them as jeans as well, so I don't really know yet what I want to do. But here is the wash. But I loved the back. They have like a cargo vibe, which is kind of why I don't know if I want to cut them. They fit me perfectly in the waist. All this for 20 to 30 bucks is so worth it. I definitely am going to try to go thrifting more for the rest of my bottoms, but I'm going to try all this on for you guys and then probably take a shower. And then I don't really have much else planned, so I don't really know how much else I'm going to vlog today. I might make this a double vlog and vlog tomorrow too or something like that, just so that there's more for you guys to see. Okay, so here are the corduroy pants. They fit so well up here because they still have like a little bit of room in case I grow a little extra mass, but I love the back as well. They're so ugly as pants. Like I would never wear these as pants, but as short, these have a great potential. These are a trust the process short. They're giving grandma right now, but they have so much potential. Let me just show you, like, what if I were to hem it to here? Big cute. Like obviously it wouldn't bunch up like that, but I'm gonna hem it under so that they can be more like this length. But I feel like they're super cute and very cozy, and honestly not really see-through, which we love. And here are the linen trousers. I love the baggier fit with some sneakers because they're like a little bit long on me, but I love this fit. And think about it with cropped black tank top or something like that, like super chill. In the back they have little pockets, which I love, and these were literally new with tags, but I just love this fit. Like I could see myself wearing these a lot because I feel like these look dressier. Okay, originally I wanted to cut these into shorts, but they look so fire as like a baggy jean moment. This side with this little detailing, and then the back looks fire. And I'm just scared that if I cut these, they won't look as cute as shorts. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I gotta think about it. Definitely let me know what you guys think, and hopefully I haven't made a rash decision by then. I didn't have a ton of success finding jeans to cut into shorts today, but I definitely found a lot of items that I really, really like. And I don't wear denim shorts so much to the point where I need them right now, but I definitely will continue to go thrift and just see what they have, and hopefully we'll find some good pairs of denim that I can just chop into shorts. So thanks for coming along with me for the little thrift haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I got. I forgot I have 2 other things that I wanted to just show in a vlog super quickly. I'm going to Florida to visit my best friend, so I wanted to get some newer stuff. So I got this bikini actually in support of a queen on Instagram, but we just have this really beautiful blue color, and it's just like a tie knot situation and then like open back. And then I just love the cut of the bottoms. I feel like these are really flattering, like a little tiny bottom. So I'll definitely be posting pictures and stuff in these, but I just wanted to show it. And then this dress, you guys, I got it from Amazon. It was considered a Skims dupe online, and so I just went and bought one. But I got it in sage, obviously, because I love green. It's not what I was expecting. It's definitely giving more of like a spandex material, but I don't even care because of how good it makes your body look. I'll probably try this on for you guys really quick. Also, I also got hair rollers, and I've been using them, and they look so fire with my haircut. I'm just super lazy, so I don't always do my hair, but getting those has changed the game because I feel like it just makes my haircut look how I asked for it to. Like, it looks how in the display picture that I asked for, with that like nice voluminous full look. And here's the Skims dress dupe. I don't have the original, so I don't really know if this is a dupe, but it looks like a dupe. And just overall, I love this dress. I think it's so flattering, like very snatched. Definitely can't eat a meal before pictures in this, but love literally the back. So flattering and very simple, which I like. It's definitely kind of long. It's definitely snatched. Like, it definitely makes you want to, like, you know what I mean? Good morning, guys, and ignore the fact that I wore this shirt to bed yesterday, and I said good morning in the same shirt yesterday. But I am just about to weigh some of the stuff that I shipped. I have this little food scale that I use to weigh clothes so that I can ship these packages once I leave the house, and then I'll probably go run more errands today, so I'll take you guys along if I do. Here is my gym outfit. I just have the pink, like the fuchsia sports bra that I'm gonna pair with my effortless shorts in the cycling length because my mosquito bites are still peeking through. But I kind of feel in the mood today to do a mix of upper body strength and then some sprints and running, so I'm super excited to do that, and I just felt like I wanted to have a cute fit to do so. But I actually also got a package, and it is the Converse that I ordered, and I forgot to show you guys the initial Converse I got. So I have been wanting platform— oh, I thought this bitch was gonna fall. I've been wanting platform Converse for a long time. I just feel like it would go with a lot of my outfits, and I have Air Forces, but I feel like sometimes those don't fit the vibe correctly, so I got some white ones. I got them for myself for my birthday. They were super cute, and they're honestly pretty affordable for like a lasting shoe. I don't know why the frick this little lady keeps falling. So yeah, I got them in white, and then I was on this website and I saw that they had a sage green pair, and honestly, it's getting ridiculous at this point how much sage I've been buying, but you can't tell me that I could pass these up. So it's hard to see in this lighting, but it's like a really light sage green, which we love. And these were on sale for $50. $50. I'll put them in the description if they're still in stock, but I was like, how am I gonna pass that up? And they came in like 2 days. So now I went from 0 pairs of platform Converse to 2 in a week span. And that just goes to show you guys how much I've been spending, and somebody needs to cut me the fuck off because I've been buying so much stuff since I got home. It's just like retail therapy. You know what I mean? I have a free Jimmy John's reward that I think I'm gonna use today. I believe it's Jimmy John's, not Jersey Mike's. One of the two. But I had a birthday reward, and then I have another reward, so I might just go there and get a sandwich after I get my whole day going. But yeah, just want to check in. Good morning. Okay, here is the gym fit. Love the color coordination. My mom said I looked patriotic. I said, ma'am, this is pink. This is cotton candy. Thank you so much. Anyways, it's the look. High pony for running and stuff. And my little shoes. Jimmy John's is secured. Big bins are secured. Oop, I'm driving actually. This is so wrong. I shouldn't be doing this. It is such a gloomy day, and it's making me really sad and just want to lay in bed and do nothing. And so I probably am gonna go home and shower and do just that because fortunately I don't have anything else to do today. So I don't really know how much else I'm gonna vlog. I definitely want to film the room tour for you guys, and I feel like my room is getting to the point where it's almost ready. So I think today I'll spend like the rest of the day just getting the odds and ends done that I need for my room. Yeah, I had a great workout and everything, and then I just kind of crashed because of how ugly it is outside. It's starting to rain, and I don't know. I just didn't wake up in the best mood today, and so that's translating. But it's okay to have a lazy day. I'm probably gonna have a little lazy day, lay around, watch Ozark. My boyfriend and I are watching the new season, so at some point today we'll probably tell a party. and watch the rest of it. Okay, so I've just been resting and editing the first portion of this video, but I don't think I have anything crazy to do for the rest of the day, so I'm gonna film the outro right now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely do more vlogs. If you guys enjoyed this, let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.